CIS-125, Introduction to Programming Logic with Language. Modularization we're working on. 4 weeks left. Hard to believe. We talked about a number of examples today in class, and today we talked about modularization and the advantage of having a couple teams working on separate modules, like Team 1 working on this module, and Team 2 working on this module, and then possibly part of those teams crossing over to get fresh eyes to look at a module. And then we talked about the disadvantages of if those modules are all using global variables tied to data stored globally all the time, then they become tightly coupled. We don't want that. We want them more loosely coupled, and we can pass parameters. And we talked about having each module doing a specific thing, like the user interface here, single task, high cohesion. So we're talking about high cohesion, and loose coupling is the best combination. Then we looked at the whole idea of how do you get started or organize a large programming project. We talked about a hierarchy chart. And then we just kind of did an example in class. We talked about payroll. Here at NIAC, some people get paid a salary, some people get paid by a wage. So we said both of those, you can see. Then we talked about deductions, and I listed all the different possibilities here at NIAC. So this module could take care of deductions, pass the information back to salary, or this module could do deductions and pass the information back to wage. They could both go back up to the main one and print those that need check prints, print it, and if not that, there could be another module that actually moves the information into a bank account, which would tie this program into a program at the bank. We talked about the practice exam and how they're going to turn that in. We looked at some questions on that. That needs to be done at the beginning of class. And if you want to, we also mentioned if some of the students want to work together to get the problem solved on that, I'm more than willing to allow that. And then the test is on Friday. And that is it.